Uttar Pradesh Green Hydrogen Policy 2024, paving the way for a sustainable future. The Uttar Pradesh government, through the Uttar Pradesh New and Renewable Energy Development Agency (UP-NEDA), has introduced the Green Hydrogen Policy 2024. This ambitious policy aims to produce 1 million metric tons of green hydrogen annually by 2029. UP-NEDA will serve as the nodal agency for its implementation, with the policy in effect for 5 years, establishing a robust framework for sectoral growth. Currently, Uttar Pradesh consumes 0.9 million metric tons of hydrogen annually across various industries. The state holds immense potential for ammonia production, with key industrial hubs driving significant demand. Jagdishpur has a requirement of 6.14 lakhs metric tons, Kanpur 3.76 lakhs metric tons, Aonla 12.77 lakhs metric tons, Shahjahanpur 6.01 lakhs metric tons, Babrala 6.47 lakhs metric tons, and Phulpur 9.91 lakhs metric tons annually. A major contributor to hydrogen demand is the IOCL refinery in Mathura, which in financial year 2023-24 had a hydrogen requirement of 44.35 kilotons per annum. Additionally, Torrent Power is establishing a plant to support its city gas distribution in Gorakhpur, further highlighting the growing energy infrastructure in the state. Green hydrogen projects will benefit from capital subsidies up to 30%, depending on the project's geographical location. The first 5 green hydrogen or green ammonia projects, excluding those in the Meerut division, will receive up to 40% financial incentives on eligible capital investments for super mega and ultra mega projects. For land incentives, government or Gram Samaj land will be leased at 1 rupee per acre per year for public sector projects, while private investors will pay 15,000 rupees per acre per year. The lease will be granted for 30 years. There will also be a 100% exemption on stamp duty charges for land acquired for these projects. Projects incorporating solar energy will be allotted a maximum of 5 acres per megawatt, capped at 20 megawatts per kiloton of annual green hydrogen production. Power supply incentives include a 100% exemption on electricity duty, intrastate wheeling transmission, and cross-subsidy surcharges for the first 10 years or the project's life, whichever comes first. Green hydrogen projects will also receive priority access to transmission infrastructure and a monthly renewable energy banking facility for 25 years, or the project's lifespan. Renewable energy used for green hydrogen production will count towards the developer's renewable purchase obligation (RPO), and any surplus energy will help DISCOMs meet their own RPO targets. To streamline project development, UP-NEDA has introduced a single window portal linked with Nivesh Mitra and the National Single Window Clearance System to simplify procedures. The projects will receive white category status for environmental clearance, and UP-NEDA will ensure access to land, water, and transmission facilities. With the Green Hydrogen Policy 2024, Uttar Pradesh is set to lead the renewable energy revolution, ensuring a greener and more sustainable future for generations to come.